Hi, hello, my dear friends. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Mind and Energy Management Cool Strategies. In this video, we'll talk about the third tool required for mind and energy management, that is food. Why do we need this? I would say, in the case of food, we need to be very careful because it is one of the root causes for our bad mental and physical health. Moreover, we take food for almost every day and for about 3 times per day. So, if something goes wrong in our food discipline, it is like we are going negative in terms of our mental and physical health every day. This small negative change that is happening every day would make a huge difference at some point in time. So, by the time you realize that negative effect is too much, things would be out of control and it becomes very hard to get back to the original state. At that time, it even requires more time, money, energy, and willpower to bring back it to the original state. So that is why this is very important, and that is why we need to take better decisions when it comes to food. Furthermore, if you are healthy, then only you can think of doing anything else, right? And this food is one of the things that decides our healthiness. In addition to that, food can make you energetic or lethargic, and food has profound effect on the thoughts that gets generated. These energy levels and better decisions or better mind control will decide our successful life, right? So it is very important that we follow a very good discipline in terms of food intake. I hope that now you have got clarity regarding the importance of food. If you ask me to whom all it is applicable, I would say to everyone in this world because everyone eats food. The expectation is that we need to follow healthy food that helps us to gain energy levels and also good positive thoughts. That should be the focus, and also to follow very well discipline in terms of food intake. But the reality is that we do not usually follow any discipline in terms of food intake. We tend to eat junk foods. We usually rarely consider food as one of the powerful tools that affects our energy levels and thought process. If you ask me what are the tools that required to achieve this, I would say it is the mind control that is required because you have to drag your mind from eating unhealthy foods to healthy foods. This mind control can be achieved by mind and energy management strategies. I have already given very simple and natural tools to gain mind control. For example, breathing and water. With that, you would have gained little mind control. I would say with that mind control, you can even think of stop eating some junk foods, not completely, but some junk foods. When you stop eating some junk foods, you would gain little more mind control. With that, even you can think of stop eating few more junk foods, and that process should continue till you stop eating all the junk foods. All right. Now, the truth about the concept is that when you eat food, you see very small change in you. For example, if you eat junk food, it's not like you will become fat immediately. There will be a small change, right? And that small change will become a big change over a period of time. That is the first truth. The second truth is most people look for immediate results. And the third truth is most people cannot visualize what can happen on a long term. They do not have the patience. So, with these three truths, what I would say is that when people eat junk food, they get immediate pleasure, and people are also looking for immediate results. There it matches. And moreover, this junk food is relatively less costly. And also, when they eat this junk food, they also don't see the negative effects immediately. And people, since people are looking for the immediate results, since they are not seeing any immediate bad effects, they that triggers them to eat the junk foods, right? On the other hand, the healthy foods are costly and also less pleasurable. People look for immediate results, but they are not getting immediate pleasure with the healthy foods. And also, people are looking for the immediate results, but with the healthy foods, they are not seeing the immediate positive results. That's where it is going wrong. That's where people are not preferring this healthy food much when compared to this junk foods. All right. Now let us see mind and energy management using food. To understand this, we need to understand the three types of food. First, we have the sattvic food, which will help us to have a meditative mind state and also liveliness in us. And the Rajasic food is the one which introduces restlessness in the body and mind, and Tamasic food is the one which introduces lethargy in the body, like dull, laziness, and there won't be any enthusiasm. So I would say there are both mental and physical effects. This has been told in the Vedic philosophy. Google out for more details. But it is very clear that by eating certain kind of foods, you can be very energetic and active, and there won't be any laziness. You will be full of enthusiasm. By this way, your energy management can be done, right? Also, by eating certain kind of foods, you can have calm mind. There won't be any restlessness in the body. You can achieve close to meditative state of your mind. Your mind is very active, energetic, and you will be able to think better with positive thoughts. And hence you can take better decisions. By this way, your mind management can also be done, right? Why do we have to do this? Because this better decisions, this energetic nature, all of this will play a vital role in deciding your successful and healthy life, right? So that's why we have to follow all these things. But what to follow and how to think? That is the question. So I would say everybody's body type is different. So I cannot tell you exactly, this particular food this particular food is sattvic to you or not. So what you have to do is, when you eat food, you have to observe yourself, whether there is a liveliness or laziness. Of course, the effect is very small, as I already mentioned, but careful observation will help you to catch that small change. Similarly, observe yourself when there is a when whether there is any restlessness in the mind or not, like this anger, anxieties, and all. After careful observation, so I would say you prepare a list of table which belongs to sattvic food, rajasic, and tamasic food. This table is very much important because you have to follow this very strictly throughout your life, and this will help in having a very healthy and successful life. Eat in moderation, that is the next concept, because if you eat more rather than gaining energy, I would say you will spend more energy in just digestion. So there won't be any good energy management there. So eat in moderation. Another important powerful aspect is the mindfulness eating. This is required, and you have to think that your energy levels are boosting, and also you are getting positive thoughts while you are eating the food. If not throughout the meal, I would say at least for few times this should happen during the meal time. Do not eat junk and processed food. These are unhealthy, and it affects badly on your immunity power. Ensure that you eat only those stuffs that are strictly natural ones. The last point, what I would say is go baby steps. Okay, do not burden yourself. The ratio should change slowly and gradually. What I mean to say is the ratio of eating healthy food to junk food, if it is let's say 40 to 60% right now, 40 is to 60 right now, over a period of time, it should slowly and gradually should become 60 is to 40. And moving further, it should become 70 is to 30 and then 80 is to 30. And you should go on, right? So that should be the goal. I hope now you have got the clarity on what should be followed and what to think when it comes to food. I hope that you have now enjoyed this video thoroughly and it is very helpful for you. In my upcoming videos, I will talk more about mind and energy management strategies. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.